Plosives, like popped peas, can ruin a great piece of content. Avoid plosives with an affordable pop filter. In this video, we're looking at the Dragonpad Pop Filter. Welcome to Simple Green Tech, where we do tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you create great digital content. I'm Zane, and in this video, we're going to be looking at this guy right here. It's the Dragonpad Pop Filter. It's fairly affordable. I put a link to it in the description below so you can see the latest pricing on it, and you can get some more information. But right now, let's take it for a test drive. Now, this is a plosive test script that I borrowed from LibriVox.org. People were pleased that Peter Piper had picked a couple of big bubbles to test plosives. So that was with the pop filter on. Let's try it without it. People were pleased that Peter Piper had picked a couple of big bubbles to test plosives. And we'll go back to back now. People were pleased that Peter Piper had picked a couple of big bubbles to test plosives. People were pleased that Peter Piper had picked a couple of big bubbles to test plosives. In my opinion, there's definitely a big difference. Let me know in the comments below if you think it's a big enough difference to justify purchasing a pop filter. Now let's look at how the Dragonpad Pop Filter is installed. First, figure out the best location on your mic arm. You want to make sure that you leave enough room so you can easily adjust the filter and leave some space between the mic and the pop filter. You don't want the filter touching your mic or it won't be working optimally. Also, you don't want to talk right up into the pop filter. You want to leave some space between you and the filter and between the filter and the mic. Once you have the optimal location selected, just put it on here like this, tighten this screw, and that's it. You're ready to go. The Dragonpad Pop Filter works great, it's easy to install, and it's affordable. If you don't have a pop filter in your setup already, you may want to consider adding one to give your listeners' ears a bit of relief from the popped peas. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, hit the thumbs up button to let us know that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for stopping by. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Zane, and we'll talk soon.